Hello everyone, my name is Aliyar. You're watching TecTalk. Previously in the introductory class, we talked about that we are going to start a series on the programming language Python. Python is basically a high-level general-purpose programming language. It is used to create softwares. Python is one of the most famous programming languages that we use for programming or making softwares so far, and especially for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Python is considered to be a very important or required skill to excel in these fields. So definitely we'll start from very scratch, and for coding in Python we just need two things. For coding in Python we need the Python interpreter or the language interpreter, so that we can write the program in our own language or English language, and it can translate that language into machine language. For that we need Python. We installed in our computer, so you can click on Python. What will happen that you can download Python and you just right away install that application on your system. Because I have already installed Python on my system, so if I check Python, I can see that Python is already installed in my computer. So what can I do is to check that I can check it relatively loaded. Then I can check whether Python is really working in my system or not. So let me write print. I will tell you about all these statements, but let me just check whether it is probably working or not. This is the first thing that you want to do when you want to learn programming. So see, when I write hello world, print hello world, it prints the hello world on the string. So it means that I have Python installed in my system. The second thing which I want to do is IDE, integrated development environment. It simply means that you need a code writer or editor to write your code, so you can compile your code through machine. So there are many code editors, but one of the famous, of course, and one of the used is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code that we call it, and you can also download Sublime code editor. So these are the two softwares, Python and VS Code, that we are going to install in our system if you want Python program. So if I write in the search VS Code, I should see something like VS Code. See, I have Visual Studio Code installed in my computer, so I can open it. I can open new window and work on it. Let me show you. So this is the another editor that we can use for writing code in Python. So select one of these two, and then we can start programming in Python. So this is how it looks when you install Visual Studio. It's taking time because I have so much going on in my system. So when it is properly installed, you can see an interface or UI like this. So I'll wait for it to see. This is you can create new file, and you can save that file with .py extension, because it's a Python file we're going to work in. So this is basically two basic things that we need. If I want to save this file, I press Ctrl and S, and I'll save this file, and we can work writing code in this. So let me say, for example, test.py. So it becomes Python file. From Python code. So let me show you one thing, and I'll close this. And if I save it and if I run it, I will run it like this. Say let it be loaded, because this is the first time it is loading in my system after a very long time, so it is taking time. So it is loading Python interpreters, and once it's done, hello world printed on the screen. So this, I will talk about all these things in detail in the upcoming videos. This was just to show you that how can you work with Python. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.